Nowadays, tension or stress is a common and serious problem all over the world. Stress and stress-related factors contribute to tension and reduced ability to handle life's everyday challenges. There are many proofs to reduce the stress and tension of our life, and also proofs that mentally, spiritually and physically relaxation can be achieved by the recitation of the Holy Quran. In this technique of listening, reading and watching the text of the Holy Quran, subject, user, can involve the whole body. The entire process will be controlled by brain. As a result, during this practice the whole body will receive relaxation/refreshment, and the exhaustion, boring and tiredness will be finished. This physiological biofeedback manner provides groceries for spirit. Hence this means can be used in hospitals for mentally disturbed and depression-affected patients, for relaxation of the soldiers, for refreshing the students, to cool down workers in industries, and for the entertainment of passengers in buses and airplanes. This approach replaces negative thoughts with positive and truthful thoughts. It shows that today's people are worried. Whether he is a Muslim or a non-Muslim, listening to the Quran, he will surely do so with all his heart and soul. Because Islam is the place of success for both worlds.